Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Now that we are done with the specs, the design, and the UI, let's explore the menus and features available in the Xiaomi Smartband 10. So if you are interested to know more about this wearable, including its features, watch this video. And again, if you find this video useful, like, share, and subscribe. Okay, so let's begin and explore the menus and features available for our Xiaomi Smart Band 10. So this is the packaging of the wearable, and of course, before we proceed to the menus and features, it includes the charging cable. The contents for the packaging includes the charging cable and the user manual. We do have free straps for the early bird users or buyers. So we have here a free strap from the seller. Anyways, this is the design or the color that we pick. It is the Mystic Rose. Okay, so let's check out the offered features here on our Xiaomi Smart Band 10. For the UI here, on top we have notifications. On the bottom part we have the menus. On the left side we have the settings here and other options. So it includes the brightness display, I think. And we have here the widgets. Okay. Next, to check out the menus, swipe from top to or from bottom to top. So we have here the daily statistics or activity tracking. We have the workout. Based on the packaging here, we do have 150 plus sports mode. We have activity records here. We have running course, training state, heart rate. We have vitality, SpO2, sleep monitoring, stress, weather report, calendar. We do have an alarm here and more. Here on the section of more, we have events, task, breathing guide, stopwatch, user control function, find phone. We have a world clock, silence phone, remote camera control, timer, flashlight. We have a focus, and we have a built-in compass. For the settings, we have a running mode, home screen. We have display, vibration, do not disturb settings, notification. I think this one is for the auto detect of sports, share heart rate, preferences, pin. We have a battery, system, and about. So Xiaomi Smart Band 10. For the screen display, let's adjust it to a longer time, 30 seconds. Then raise to wake, cover to sleep, brightness. Let's see if we set it to custom. Let's check. So we do have a very good brightness here. Okay, so let's go back, then adjust the brightness to automatic. Okay, again we have the calendar, weather report, the stress monitoring, sleep monitoring, vitality. We also have here the heart rate. I think they almost have the same UI with our Xiaomi Smart Band 9, except that it has additional features here, including a built-in compass and other functionalities or tools. We have a pool swimming feature here, and we have this category of sports. We have water sports, outdoor training, dance, combat sports, ball sports, winter, recreational, cardboard and other sports. It also has an automatic detection for sports functions. Again, here are the menus and features. So what do you think? Does it have what you want for a fitness tracker? Does it include the tools or the functionality for health or fitness that you need? Drop a comment below. Go back. Again, there's no physical button for the fitness tracker. A full touchscreen display. And for the watch faces, here are the available watch faces for the fitness tracker. So the same style. If you want the watch face, just tap on it. Okay. So that's it for our unboxing review of its menus and features. The Xiaomi Smartband 10. If you have any questions regarding the demo, drop a comment below. And of course, like, share, and subscribe.